So day second, they on the pork train. You don't know today is Sunday, so we have to do the red rice, no rooster, red rice and arna. Yeah. So
Yeah,
start with peas.
So if you want to see the preparation from before, just check the previous video, you know? Yeah man, the one before this, so you see preparation. So you see it there?
Yeah, that is just basic seasoning. You know, season the real way yet. That is it. You get me? I don't know. We're not really using a red peas today. They may call round red. You see me? Round red. Yeah. They want to get a deeper red than the original red peas. You get me? So, I just soak them in the water. But them round red they come like them higher. So I end up have to pressure them again now. And set them back on now. So I can re-season the pot. Deal with my rain now, my coconut and them thing there and get the place active. But can't manage greater than coconut because I don't know after two, can't manage that.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, so we have the real grace boy there. You see me?
You know what I mean?
So if you get it active, then I use one. Because remember, you know, genetically modified, you know, and we don't really want that. We want the real coconut for choose, so you're going to use two of them and boil it out. You see me? You have to make it boil, you know, that's why some of the rice spoil too, you know. Easy, you know, when you do it, so boil for a little 15 minutes, kill the preservative and the rare, then put in it, because you don't know bacteria no survive on certain heat, you know. You see me? So it is food is a scientific balance. Some people just cook, you have to have the science to it, because my rice, I don't use fork and stir. From I put in my rice, I don't look back on it till it's done. So now for catch a balance, watch your style, learn it. You see me?
That is it.
Yeah. Yeah, so you put the water in a cup. So normally you just throw it down in it so it froth up over the pot. So you have to mix it out first. Boom, but.
That's one of them things there, you know?
Yeah, you look at accident there, you know.
How you going?
So you go and belly down the first one, you see me? Yeah, alright. Then the second one now. Get it active, you see me? But here we are going to go on now. Now put all in it tonight, you know. But I left looking for the pot roast now, forget it. The flavor in the pork. I shouldn't even tell you that one day because this I'm looking special recipe, you know. But I select like in the pork with a piece of turnip in it. But I say turnip, it bring out the flavor in it, you get me? This is your boom shakalaka.
All the stirrings, you know?
Yeah, you have to make sure you mix properly because sometimes it lump up.
Yeah, man, get out the lumps, you know?
That is it.
Yeah, man.
One, this man on the camera, you know, see color change? Bossy. That is bossy.
You know what I mean?
Alright. Yeah. You get your butter now. This look a bit still, you know, but you know, don't know when I too rare, because you don't know.
Pressure it, you know?
Yeah, because
spice pan a look a budget, you know?
Budget spice.
Yeah, you know? That is it. Yeah, man. Flames are fill up, you know?
That is it, man. Alright. You know why this get hot pan it, you know, so kind of hard and for wipe off, so I just yeah, the pounds have to make the gravy thicker, man, and cook down in the pot, but you can't cook it, cut it too fine in the night, you see me? You have to make them hunker, so then take time for cook, just like everything else.
Enough people know them things, you know?
Cornstarch and flour, then you can thicken and them little things, you get me?
Something that can go.
Going like that now.
Onion cut up in there.
So the same little rare when I did telling about, now go in there, trick on the trick. Yeah, one trick on the trick. Too early for the season. Alright.
Go out is upon it.
Yeah, if you go on right way. So here we have now. Incline ugly now. This I'm going to make it now and cut.
No say no cut.
No. So
Now what no man? Yeah, feel what?
Eat a look of body and look of flavor. Yeah. So you deal with that, but you don't throw away this because this is going on after. You get a look of style and pattern on it. Do you get me?
You know what I mean?
So I know what you don't want to put because it's actually chicken because you don't want it to overpower the pork flavor. So put on this, make it go and stir, catch the fire, make the fire go and bubble away for bubble up.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So it's not a powder seasoning, people. It's a cooking thing. So make them go and do what them supposed to do you know. Catch a look of flavor and the style and the pattern.
Yeah man. That is it, you know?
Catch you by the fire underneath it. We're going to revisit it within 7 minutes time.
That is it.
So, see it now, let them see the war go on now. So the cookings are going with it now. And the pork now, so we have to touch the softness side because the rest of the things they are cooking now. You see me? So see there now, tenderness are coming out now where it can be eaten. So now we're going to add the little secret ingredient that we done telling about now. Yeah. That are the whole heap of love we're going to go unite here now. Alright. Then we come some bombs now. Put in cucumber in them in it. Turn up the flames here now. Get the place active here now. Yeah. Alright. Flames the pan are fully hot up. Take out the one onion. Chop him and put him up in it. You get me? That run up on the road look wild man, my peeps man. So you don't know the ball game. Fire never enough hot pan him, you see me? When the rush flames, you don't cook. Cook your cook things. When you have big fire and die. Big fire don't cook food man, and slow and easy man. Nice and cozy. Now if you all and pull, you get me?
Know what I mean?
Yeah.
So right now we are re-seasoning pot, you know?
Again.
Isn't it? That's even more interpreters on
Yeah.
My interpreters boss, you know?
Yeah, man. No, me I go to try color kind of pale. No, me I go touch it. Look a brown in right now. You know. But patros don't really have no deep color and no specific color still, you know. But you know, please the people them.
Yeah, man.
You have to make it.
No, but too white, you know?
Yeah, can't make it look so well.
Thick, you know?
Like a hunk of gold. Hey. Hey. Want it darker? Alright, them say they want it darker.
I mean, I don't know white meat. Yeah, that.
Alright.
That is it. Yeah, my babes.
Yeah.
Don't just make it get color fast, you know?
You know, the black business though.
All of a sudden, I like it black and you look like you well cooked, you know? You just have the appearance, is it?
Appearance and appearance, me I go for taste, me I go for because you go to them fine restaurant there and them nice restaurant they don't eat on this man them place there. Appearance 100. You taste the food I bet you go buy one little box lunch out the road. Yes, you have to know that little thing you know so.
No appearance.
See cool, see it a come down there now. So I come together, see pumpkin and now start mash out you know. You got thicken all the gravy you know. Yeah, so now if you know the ball game. I don't know, 100 you know, but you have to make bad work man custom tone. You have to work with anything you God give. So if you can't work with anything, forget many things, you will take a whole heap of things and go get funny things. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So see that it start look all thickening already, you get me? Alright. But I don't want the little noble them tick up on one another, so you have to kind of separate them away, get them active in the day. You know the ball game? Yeah. So you come down.
Alright. We go and simmer, you know?
Like we say again, no I eat, you know. I don't eat none at all. Nothing I consume. No I flame. See
Yeah.
kitchen back on the level now. But we didn't want to test hold on, Mr. General. When I test the pepper content 99. You get me? So I don't have to taste it still, you know, but I want to see what you say. Hold on, give me this.
Nada.
Alright, see now why people them say every day.
Nada.
Alright.
That, I take out some more, brother. That's too much, dog. Brother, burn you and burn me up, brother. I'm to your king. And look like that too much, too.
No man, easy no man, it does have a cool dog.
Check. People, you see, the dog want to burn me up.
And that for go on man, you're a man, brother.
No, dog.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Want
Yeah, my
pepper?
peeps. Want some pepper still.
Want some pepper.
People-
Where else it want?
Remember, the people, like, share, and subscribe, you know.
Where
Follow
else
me on
it
YouTube,
want?
you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, so real seasoning pot, you know. Yeah, man, put in some more turtles in there. And then put in there. You see me? Need more flavors up. You see me? So the color come down and everything same way. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Flames. Yeah. Yeah, man, game 2 story, you know. Yeah, man, so the ball game come down.
See if
Watch
the
it, man.
pepper can get active.
Oh, watch it. Watch that. Yeah, man.
Now revisit again and do one taste test. And see what.
Yeah, man, so the ball game come down, man.
So let them show you, let them see how the gravy thick already. And nothing in it more than what in it.
Yeah, watch that. That is it.
So catch it back on the level again and watch the ball game. Make him go and simmer. You put the more pepper in it, you take the salt in it,
You know?
and him say, Rati.
Boy, watch that.
One whole of pepper. People with the shot at certain things about whatever I want to tell you. No? Because you don't know through what uptown there. Close the shop there, price smart. We are ready with this, you know. So close the shop there, price smart. So we never really have certain access to get certain things. Because you don't know, on Sunday I was saying, I do no bag of driving because we do some whole heap of rare. But now, see them find piece of pepper. So I could show the ball come down again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so see finished product here we have. That is it.
Yeah, man.
You have to know when gravy thicken by the sound line. You don't have to take up no spoon and test it. Sound tell it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All more content coming at you. This is just the beginning. Working on it.
You know what I mean? And remember, peeps, if you want to see the preparation before, you go up on the previous video before this, and you see it. When I prep it and I season it up on them thing there. You know what I mean?
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That is it. Off flames. Flames off. Know what time it is now? Belly full in time.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
That is it. Come on, current situation, man. Yeah. Over there, eating, consuming.
Yeah, man, so the ball game come down, you know?
Mm-hmm. And right now we have the goblet. This is called the goblet. One scoop does the job.
Yeah, man.
So why don't just the rest of our family and you the rest of the family that's account. You can't take it from me because fisherman never seen fish spoil yet. So then I could see what going on in our house. So stay tuned till everybody start consume, then we see what going.
Yeah, man. Remember, you know, people like share and subscribe, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, we are out, you know. Yeah, man, remember, if you want to see the preparation, go up on the previous video. This way, they season it up. Yeah, man. One on the dog, you know.
Yeah.